All right, yo, real quick. This is the OEM stock windscreen. I think the windscreen should cover at least that cluster, but whatever. It does not come with the black. The top one's black, but hopefully the one I got that's going to replace this one has all 4 black. So let's take this off real quick, put on the new one, see if it makes a difference. All right, got all 4 of them out. Boom, brains of the bike. Chilling. Should I leave it like this? All right, so what we're replacing it with is this guy right here. I'm sure many of you people have seen it already. Wow, just took it out of the plastic. I already got stuff on it. Boy, I don't care, bro. And then inside of here is the brackets. Yeah, this is not gonna happen. So far, so good, mate. You gotta put these on, and then the bracket. Once that part is done, you put on your brackets. The brackets have to be angled up. So if you look, it's down, straight, and up for the top portion. Both sides. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how it's done. Call the windscreen.